Now we will solve questions from practice set 9.3. Question number 1. Find the surface areas and volumes of sphere of the following radii. Find the surface areas and volumes of sphere of the following radii. First radius is given 4 centimeter, second is 9 centimeter, and third is given 3.5 centimeter, and the value of pi is given 3.14. So first find out surface area and volume of a sphere if radius is 4 centimeter. So first sub question, when radius is 4 centimeter. So surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Formula is surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square. So equal to 4 into the value of pi is given 3.14. So into 3.14 and radius is 4 centimeters. So r square means 4 into 4. So 4 into 3.14 into 4 into 4 equal to 200.96 centimeter square. So surface area of a sphere when radius is 4 centimeter is 200.96 centimeter square. And volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. The formula of volume of a sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So equal to 4 upon 3 pi means into 3.14. R cube means 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 267.95 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. So volume of a sphere when radius is 4 centimeter is 267.95 cubic centimeter. So curved surface area of sphere equal to 200.96 centimeter square and volume of sphere is 267.95 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Children, second sub question is homework. Now for the radius 3.5 centimeter. Third sub question, when radius is given 3.5 centimeter. So first find out surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square. Third sub question, surface area of a sphere equal to 4 pi r square and r is given 3.5 centimeter. So 4 into the value of pi is 3.14 into 3.5 square means 3.5 into 3.5. So 4 into 3.14 into 3.5 into 3.5 equal to 153.86 centimeter square. So surface area of a sphere when radius is 3.5 centimeter. So surface area of a sphere is 153.86 centimeter square. And volume of a sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So 4 upon 3 into pi is 3.14 into r is 3.5. So 3.5 cube means 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Therefore, volume of a sphere equal to 179.50 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. So curved surface area of a sphere equal to 153.86 centimeter square and volume of a sphere is 179.50 centimeter cube. Now question number 2. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. If the radius of a solid hemisphere is 5 centimeter, then find its curved surface area and total surface area. The value of pi is given 3.14. So solution. Curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 2 pi r square. So equal to 2 into the value of pi is given 3.14 into radius is 5 centimeter. Radius is 5 centimeter. So 5 square means 5 into 5. So 2 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. So curved surface area of hemisphere equal to 157 centimeter square. And total surface area of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. Total surface area of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square equal to 3 into 3.14. Pi is 3.14 into radius is 5. So 5 square means 5 into 5. So equal to 235.5 centimeter square. So total surface area of hemisphere equal to 235.5 centimeter square. So curved surface area of hemisphere is 157 centimeter square and total surface area of hemisphere is 235.5 centimeter cube.